All right, here we are with problems 9 and 10 on the part 1 of the Unit 4 review packet. So number 9 is a whole exercise in actually using the properties of integration. So let's do what we can to pull apart this integral on the left. We can pull apart first by addition. So we have this integral plus the integral from 2 to 6 of 3 dx. So I used this addition property to break them into two integrals. And then on the left here, I can factor out a 4 like that. So that should say, by the way, the integral from 2 to 6, 4 times the integral of from 2 to 6 of f of x dx. Plus here, this is the function y equals 3 that we are integrating from 2 to 6. So it is the area of a rectangle. It is 4 wide and 3 high. So this is 12. And this is all equal to 24. So now I'm going to take 12 and subtract it from both sides. So I have 4 times the integral from 2 to 6 of f of x dx is equal to 12. Then I can go ahead and divide by 3. So this integral that I am solving for, I'm dividing by 4. So the integral that I am solving for is actually equal to 3. Now, number 10 is an interesting problem, and it is key that they're telling us that this is the function little f, and that this value is 100. So I would guess that 10 is about right there, and that will have bearing. I can't write the number 10, but I'm trying. That will have bearing on the problem. So we want to rank in ascending order the following 4 numbers. So the integral from 0 to 2 is the entire area between the curves. So it's something less than 200 because this is a 2 right here and 100 is up here. So it doesn't fill in the full area, but it's pretty big. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is just the integral from 0 to 1. So that's going to be half the amount. So just this half. So clearly this guy is less than this guy. Okay, I don't know how to say that quite yet, but I know how to say it. Well, a good way to list it out. I know that 2 is going to be less than 1. Then the next one starts to get interesting because they start talking about the square root of our function. And so the square root of f of x is going to cap out right at where this 10 is, like here. So if you have both of these, that's 3. That's pretty small, and that's clearly smaller than just one large one. So 3 is less than even 2. And then for part 4, you're talking about f squared. So you got to go way up to all the way up to 10,000 and back down and do that twice. So that is clearly going to be the largest of the bunch.